Are you guys also surprised to see water in the empty cups? Well, this happens because of the capillary action. Capillary action allows water to move upward due to surface tension of the water molecules and intermolecular forces between the water and the surrounding surface. The same phenomena happens in plants as well when they transfer water from ground to the top. Try this fun experiment at home and you can take any colors that you want. Do let me know how you find this experiment in the comment section below. Till then, take care.